So far in this chapter, you have created a simulation that takes information about a series of stations within a business process, such as a sandwich shop that makes food to order, and applies that information to discover how long customers will spend within the system. In this movie, we'll run the simulation a couple of times to see its results. We have already read in all the information we need from the Sim Setup worksheet, so I'll press Alt F11 to move to the Visual Basic Editor. And here we have the code that we completed in the last movie. What this process does is read in the number of stations, and then it creates customers and stations collections, adds customers and stations, reads in information about the stations, the station ID, the average processing time, and the standard deviation, and then steps through to generate a processing time for each station within the system. At present, it only does it once. We'll do it a lot more in the future. And as we get to the bottom of the subroutine, you'll see that we print the results using debug.print to the immediate window. And then at the very end, we set customers and stations collections to nothing. So we're freeing up memory that was previously used with those object variables. We're almost ready to run the subroutine, but because the results are being written out to the immediate window, I'll need to display that. I'll press Ctrl-G to add it to the bottom of the Visual Basic Editor. Then I'll click back up in the Module 1 code module and press F5 to run. And we get three results, 20, 10, and 16. If I press F5 to run again, we get 16, 8, and 19. And one more time, we get 9, 12, and 19. So you can see that we're getting different values each time, and everything in the program appears to be working properly.